I'm inside, I've got something to show you.
Nah, looks like someone already did.
This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing their costs. Imagine KFC ZINGER MOZZARELLA, a crunchy zinger fillet, juicy smoky bacon, tangy mayo, sweet chili sauce, and a stringy zinger coated mozzarella patty between a fluffy sesame seed bun. Minus the lettuce because they forgot to put mine on and I copied it without checking first. Oh well, didn't really need it anyway. But, just saying. Looks like a zingy monster chomped on. For $9.95, it is worth it. Chicken breast, slice horizontally in half. Place it into a pot of boiling water. Add 1 chicken stock cube, about a tablespoon of vinegar. In a separate bowl, prepare the marinade. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and place it into an ice bath. Cover both sides to marinate the chicken while cooling. Now add some flour to the marinade to coat the breast fillet. Into a blender, add 1 handful of cornflakes and pulse on. Add it to a container, along with 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of white pepper, a little pinch of onion sauce, and a crack of black pepper. Place the fillet inside the container, place the lid on and shake thoroughly. Buttermilk and an egg. Give it a quick mix and give it a thorough dredge. Once that's done, place it inside the container, put the top back on and give it another shake. Now deep fry the fillet and veggie oil at about 180 degrees. Cook through until well. Now cut the base of a mozzarella ball, press it down hard in the zinger flour, give it a quick dredge in the egg, and put it back in the flour. Put the bacon in the cold pan just to crisp it up. Give your mozzarella patty a quick shallow fry. Butter inside a pan, toast the bread.
Yeah, good to see your bum. Nice to see your face.
Mayo on the heel, bacon, mozzarella patty, chili, zinger patty, mayo on the crown. Zing on that zonga. Came in at under half price too. Look at this mozzarella stretch. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.